Our experience with Internet Week Denmark was that it turned out to be a really good platform for knowledge sharing, for networking, and for showcasing what we do within the digital economy, but also for learning a lot of businesses that we didn't even know about in these areas and what they do. And that really turned out to be a melting pot of ideas and great innovation and cool products that we didn't know about. And we're looking really forward to Internet Week Denmark this year, because we think it's going to be just like that again, and hopefully even bigger and with more engagement from local businesses. Actually, we feel that everybody's got something to do with the digital economy today. So just seeing them turn out and hearing their views and their worries and their enthusiasm about the digital economy is a cool experience, and we're looking forward to that again. Just citing one moment from last year, I think that was the opening with Jimmy Wales, founder of Wikipedia, when he came to the City Hall and shared his vision for Wikipedia and his experience with opening up knowledge to the whole world, and that was really an eye opener, because many of us think of Zuckerberg or Jeff Bezos when we think of the internet, but really Jimmy Wales was he's such much more an important person, and the whole office here at Creuna, we went there and saw his opening keynote, and that was a great experience, and also for us as a company to go there together. And we actually did an improvised live streaming and turned that into the background drop of the website at that moment. So it was a cool experience for us to both see this guy and actually turn his appearance in Internet Week into something that was of value to the digital experience of Internet Week Denmark at that time. I think other companies should definitely join Internet Week as partners, because from our experience being partners last year and this year too, is that it's a great platform for meeting up and for joining forces and taking the combined talents of different companies and doing something together. Sometimes we're competitors, sometimes we're not even in the same business, but turning out for Internet Week and bringing in what we do and our knowledge into this event is a cool experience, because then we all become better by learning from people we might not meet at the everyday.